This is a future heater, or an old heater. Abandoning its future wires in case we need them. Goes to the Infratech control box. All the neutrals go together. This comes in from the Lutron system. So this can be a switch leg for the outdoor GFI, landscape lighting, whatever. And this is power out to these new couch outlets we added because they popped this out. Actually, let me show a trick here. If you strip it really long, instead of using your linesman or something like that, you can, let's see, you can see it. If you strip it really long, and then it does that, and then you can just snip it off, and it's basically the same thing as linesman. Even got a little bit of twist on the wires there. All the neutrals going together. I'll show you another one. You always want to line up the back of the jackets, not the tips of the stripped wire. You try to strip them the same length. After many years, you start to do that. So get them all good. Take a big red. This is the good red. This is the ideal brand. You got that grip strength for a while. And then you can see go a little more. You can even go a little more. Boom. Bop. Power out to couch outlets. And you know what? It comes in from the Lutron system. So if they wanted to, they could actually switch it as well for some lamps or something like that. We added 2 separate little can lights in here. Nora comfort dim. You always want to get whatever's closest to where the drywaller can cut it. You want to get that in the back. You don't want them to cut it like right here, or because it's close to the wire nut. You don't want them to cut it anywhere, but just to be safe, tuck it in that way. And now you have your junction box. I got a whole nother one. Yep, there'll be a plate over that. And now whole nother one.